Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoy this content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the product or service. In this video, we're exploring Wireless Nation, a New Zealand-based internet provider found at wirelessnation.co.nz. Their website highlights several key offerings designed to connect Kiwis, especially those in rural areas or seeking alternative connection solutions. Wireless Nation appears to specialize in wireless broadband, offering a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets. They emphasize reliability and performance, suggesting their services are robust enough for demanding activities like streaming and gaming. The site showcases several different technologies, implying they leverage a mix of infrastructure to provide coverage across the country. This might include fixed wireless, satellite, and perhaps even 4G per 5G options. Navigating through their website, you'll find sections dedicated to residential and business customers, each outlining the specific plans available. They seem to place a strong emphasis on customer support, with readily available contact information and potentially even online chat features. It's also worth noting their apparent commitment to transparency, with clear information about pricing and data limits. For those considering making the switch, Wireless Nation provides a coverage checker tool to determine service availability at a specific address. Furthermore, they appear to offer installation services to ensure a smooth transition for new customers. While the site showcases a modern design, it also prioritizes functionality, making it relatively easy to find the information you need. They highlight customer testimonials and reviews, which can provide valuable insights from existing subscribers. Overall, Wireless Nation presents itself as a comprehensive internet service provider dedicated to connecting New Zealand, particularly in areas where traditional broadband may be limited or unavailable. Their focus on diverse technologies, coupled with their emphasis on customer service, suggests they strive to offer a reliable and tailored experience for their users. If you're in New Zealand and looking for a broadband alternative, exploring Wireless Nation's offerings might be worthwhile, especially if you're located outside major urban centers.